Hello everyone. From now onwards, we will start a new playlist, and the playlist name will be your insect ecology. There, we will try to cover the most of the parts or topics related to our insect ecology. Okay, specifically insect ecology, what are the components, what is the role, all those things will complete in this insect ecology playlist. So today onwards, we will start this playlist. So in those things we will try to cover some of the theoretical portion. Okay, just those things I will discuss in this video. This will be the first video of that playlist. So some of the points are your insect ecology. Okay, the first one is the introduction to insect ecology. What are the components are present, who has coined the term ecology, who has defined the term ecology, what is ecology, how ecology is constructed, some terminologies related to insect ecology, what is art ecology, what is scene ecology, all those things we'll cover in this first point, that is your insect ecology, that is introduction to insect ecology. Then coming to this second point, your effect of abiotic factor. So in this ecology we will try to understand what are the factor, abiotic factor, that means non-living, temperature, moisture, humidity, rainfall, light, atmospheric pressure, all those things, abiotic things, how they are playing with the survival or the ecology of the insect. Second point. Then coming to your third point, we will cover your effect of biotic factor, living things like all other organisms may be there on, it may be any other insect or maybe any other organism, how they are affecting the particular insect, either in food competition, or they may be natural enemies, or through the environmental resistance, how all other biotic components are affecting one insect or any other organism. Those are what your biotic factor of ecology or the environment. Then we will understand the fourth one, that is your concepts of balance of life. Okay, there we will understand what is the balance, what is the equilibrium state, what is biotic potential, and what is the environmental resistance, what is your food chain, what is your food web, what is life table, some related things we will cover there. Okay, this also cover your fifth number point. Then coming to the sixth point, that is your causes of pest outbreak in agroecosystem. Separately we will understand what is agroecosystem, then why the pest population is arising now, even though we are applying chemicals, even though we are applying so many things, so many measures we are taking, still why pest outbreak is occurring, why the pest population is increasing, and how to control those things. Just a brief summary will be there, and in this we can complete our theoretical portion of insect ecology. Okay, so I will just refer a book for you. This is also important. Okay, for reference you can choose this one, this book, Elements of Insect Ecology. That is a very good book, but here in my materials I will try to provide combiningly by gathering some 2 to 3 books. I will make a note, I will make a video of it for your kind information, for your knowledge gain. If any kind of doubt will be there or any kind of suggestion you can give, then feel free to give. I will take it as compliment and I will try to improve. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.